Are you a content creator looking for effects to bring your videos to a whole new level?
Welcome to Production Crate.
Production Crate is the resource for graphics, visual effects, music, and much more. On top of that, these assets are compatible with your editing software. Get your unlimited free effects today or premium effects for only $49 a year. Make it awesome. What's poppin', guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to a brand new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you guys an awesome free app that you can use in order to make videos. If you want to learn more about this free app, make sure to stay tuned because we're gonna start off right after the intro. Okay guys, so I got reached out by Vlogeasy and they said, Alex, we have the perfect app for you and we want you to introduce it to your audience because we're so 100% sure that they will like it a lot. So I installed the app and I immediately fell in love. So basically this is an app you can download onto your phone and you can create videos, you can start vlogging, everything like that. So what we're gonna do first of all is check the link in the description, but it's way easier if you're watching this on your phone to just watch this video to the end so you know how the app works, and then just go ahead and also leave a like and download this from the App Store. First, I'm gonna also hit my screen recording. Okay, so now that my screen recording is on, as you can see, I'm downloading it from the App Store. So once it's downloaded, we're gonna get started. Alright, so now that we have installed the app, what we're gonna do is we're gonna tap on there and there is a voice that's gonna guide us.
Hi, I'm Chris, one of the creators of Vlogeasy. Alright, to get started, you'll need to accept the camera and microphone permissions. Go ahead and try that now.
Alright, so we need to enable the camera and the microphone. I'm gonna hit accept camera and I'm gonna also accept the microphone like that. Now we need to choose the resolution. Do you want to have it like a square, for example, like for Instagram, or for like a horizontal, for example, like that, you know, for YouTube? What we're gonna do is I'm gonna pick horizontal 16:9 for now and I'm gonna hit done.
Awesome! Alright, now I want to show you how to use the jump cut feature to automatically edit your videos. As soon as you're recording, you can actually take as many pauses and breaks in between your sentences for as long as you want. Because as soon as you're done recording, Vlogeasy will go in and automatically edit out the parts where there's no talking. This creates the popular jump cut style that you see in professional grade vlog. What would you like to do next?
Alright, let's go ahead and start by hitting let's make a vlog. Alright, as you can see right now, I just tapped recording and you can also see that on my screen recording. I just had to tilt my phone sideways because otherwise it's going to not look like that optimized. So let's pause it right now. And now you can make a jump cut. So now what we need to do is we stop recording. Right now you just need to tap start recording again and then it's going to create that jump cut. So that was a really amazing jump cut. As you can see right here, it looks very, very nice. You can do this as many times as you want. So let's create another jump cut. Right now, as you can see, it's jump cutting. And now what you can do is you can choose to keep recording or check what you already made. Right guys, so right now it's a few days later and I just, spent some time using the app and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how these jump cuts work. So as you can see right now, I'm gonna just clear my timeline for a second. So right now I'm filming at the same time. As you can see right now, it is just recording. As you can see also in the reflection. So I'm standing here with like two arms, as you can see, really nice. So I'm gonna show you how to use that jump cut. So right now, if you're done filming, what you want to do is just press on this little icon, and right now you have the time to go to a different location. So that's what I'm going to do. I have the app still open on my phone. So once you're in your different location, just press on this record button right here, and then you just want to start talking again. So as you can see, if I do that, that's how you can actually jump cut. So right now I'm going to stop recording and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. As you can see right now, it's jump cutting. So let's look at the results. Alright, so this is the app. So what we're going to do is we're going to scroll back to our timeline and let's play it back. So right now I'm filming at the same time. As you can see right now, it is just recording. As you can see also in the reflection. So I'm standing here with like two arms, as you can see, really nice. So I'm going to show you how to use that jump cut. So right now, if you're done filming, what you want to do is just press on this little icon right here, and then you just want to start talking again. So as you can see, if I do that, that's how you can actually jump cut. So right now, I'm going to stop recording, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. Alright, so that looks really nice. So this is where the jump cut happens. Press on this little icon right here, and then you just want to start talking again. So as you can see, if I how to use that jump cut. So right now, if you're done filming, what you want to do is just press on this little icon right here. As you can see right now, we just hopped from, as you can see, our workspace with the pink wall to the living room in just a matter of a jump cut. It is that amazing. That's how you basically do it. Magic. Okay, so now that I tilted my phone just to normal, we can play it back. So let's see what we created so far. Alright, as you can see right now, I just tapped recording, and you can also see that on my screen recording. I just had to tilt my phone sideways because otherwise it's going to not look like that optimized. So let's pause it right now. So that was a really amazing jump cut. As you can see right here, it looks very, very nice. You can do this as many times as you want. So let's create another jump cut. So that's basically how you can just cut in between takes, because usually if you would create videos on your phone, it's not really possible to just have it on your phone like built in, be able to cut. So that is basically how you can create jump cuts, and that's how you don't have to spend that much time on cutting and figuring everything out. Alright, so now you guys know how it works. Let's go ahead and click on these three stripes, and what we can now do is we can just click to the manager, we can share this, or we can click on account, or you can go pro. So let's see what happens if we hit share. As you can see, you can just also choose the resolution, best. You can also pick 4K if you want to. I'm going to pick full HD. And then you can also pick the frame rate, which is going to be 60 in my case, obviously. You can choose if you want to have this for Instagram, like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. Cover as first frame. And you can choose if you want to remove the watermark. But you have to keep in mind that if you purchase that, you won't have any watermarks. It will be exclusive. You will just have like a complete app that will actually cut videos for you, and it looks really, really nice. Then you can just hit start exporting. So if you want to pick up this app, you can just go ahead and click on the link in the description, and this is basically how you can do that. So this is a free app that you can just download from the App Store. You don't have to buy it. And then if you want to remove the watermark, if it's really, really bothering you, you can just purchase a license. Let me tell you, this is really, really worth the money investing. Let me tell you which other app is this easy to use, and it's just making it so easy to use jump cuts. And obviously if you tap on accounts, you can just log in, and everything what you can do, I'm just gonna sign in with my email. Alright, so I just created an account real quick, and as you can see right now, I just have an account right now. So let's click on my account. Right here I have my name, profile picture, synced vlogs, one of the two, and you can just go pro if you want to. Minimum voice duration is medium. You can have all kinds of settings, and you can also choose a nice profile picture. And guys, this is basically a really, really cool app that you can use for vlogging and automatic jump cuts, because let's say I'm just gonna close the app right now. Let's talk about how easy it is to use this app and how to use jump cuts, because anytime I wanted to create a vlog, for example, for Instagram or anything like that I wanted to use on my phone, what I had to do is film it with my regular camera. Then I had to email all the footage to myself and then open it up in my computer. Then I had to download the footage from my mailbox onto my PC, start editing it in Vegas Pro, render it out, and email it back to myself. And 9 out of 10, the file is too big to email it to yourself or anything to just, download it from Google Drive. It just takes so much time. So that's why this app is so easy to use. Start recording, talk, and then you can even go to other positions or other locations, start recording again, and then you can just create like full-length vlogs. So guys, if you want to pick up the pro version, make sure to do it. There is like no reason not to pick it up, because I've supported it, I like it, I just use it if I want to record like quick Instagram videos. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much to Vlogeasy for reaching out to me so I can introduce this app to you guys. If you want to go pro and get rid of the watermark, make sure to do that, and I'll see you guys obviously in my next video.